All right, team, let's jump right in. We're here to talk about how to actually use AI strategically to cut through all the noise and the jargon and get to what really matters, getting results in your work.
I want to start with this because this quote is everything. It's the mindset shift we all need to make. You don't have to be the person who can build the AI engine. Your job is to be a great driver, to know the destination, and to be the strategist who picks the best route. That's it. It's all about practical application.
So here's our game plan. First, we're going to bust a huge myth that holds so many people back. Then, I'll give you a simple framework you can actually use and a playbook to put it all into action. Sound good?
Okay, let's dive into our first section. We're tackling the big one, the AI skill myth. This is a major misconception, so let's clear it up right now. You know, this might be surprising, but what we're seeing is that the real MVPs of AI adoption aren't the coders. They're the people who know their own job, their own workflows, inside and out. Your expertise is the secret weapon here. You know the problems, so you're the best person to see where AI can actually help.
So here's the big reframe. Stop thinking of AI as a replacement. It's an amplifier. Think about it. A spreadsheet doesn't magically turn someone into a financial genius, right? It just makes a good analyst way faster and more powerful. AI is exactly the same. It takes the good judgment you already have and just puts it on steroids.
Okay, so now that we've cleared that up, let's build on that idea. I want to show you a really simple but super powerful framework you can start using pretty much immediately. And here it is. Look, this isn't rocket science. It really just boils down to these three manageable stages. First, you plan. What's our strategy? Then you execute. You actually do the thing. And finally, you measure. Did it work? And how can we make it better? Strategy, implementation, measurement. That's the loop.
All right, this is where the rubber meets the road. We've talked theory, now let's get practical. How do you actually turn these ideas into action?
Think of this as your pre-flight checklist. Before you kick off any AI project, just run through this and notice what's at the top. Assess where you are now and define what success even looks like. And getting stakeholders on board early, that one step can save you so many headaches down the line. This isn't just a list, it's a recipe for avoiding common failures.
And these 4 principles, these are your guardrails. They're what keep your project from driving into a ditch. Always ask yourself, is this tied to our strategy? Is it creating real value? Are we helping our team get smarter? And are we ready to pivot if we need to? If you can say yes to these, you are in a really good spot.
Okay, let's get real for a minute. No project is a straight line to success. There are always going to be bumps in the road. So let's talk about the challenges you should expect to see and the amazing transformation that's on the other side.
I mean, does any of this look familiar? Misaligned teams, not enough budget, people who just don't like change? These are the classic project killers. But you know what? The first step to solving a problem is knowing it exists. If you anticipate these things, you can plan for them, and they become manageable hurdles instead of total roadblocks.
And this slide right here, this is the payoff. This is why it's worth it. Look at the difference. Before, you're running on intuition, which is great, but it can be hard to defend. Reports take forever. But after, your professional judgment is now supercharged with data. Your decisions are backed by evidence, and those reports, they take hours, not days. It's a total game changer.
And let's be super clear about something. This isn't about doing less work or becoming obsolete. It's the exact opposite. It's about freeing you up to do better work, to focus your time and your brain power on the complex, strategic decisions that only a human expert, that only you can make.
So let's bring this all home. Let's boil everything down into the key principles that will give you a genuine strategic advantage. Ultimately, success isn't about some secret AI tool. It's about nailing these fundamentals. You need a clear strategy, you have to be able to measure success, you've got to invest in your people, and you must be able to adapt. And that last one, governance and risk, is non-negotiable. Get these things right, and you're not just doing a project, you're building a lasting capability.
So I'll leave you with this question. And it's a small question, not a big, scary one. Don't try to automate your whole job tomorrow. Just think about this. What is the first decision, the first small task, the first report in your daily work that AI can help you amplify? Start there. Find that one thing, apply this framework, and just see what happens. What's it going to be?